Okay, this is another video I made specifically because I have just remembered that one of my clients told me, hey, my things are not working. That is one thing because he got confused that these ones in the bottoms were all jailbroken and he can just purchase it, just play it through off the bat like that. I wanted to make it clear to you guys that this is totally different from your jailbroken items. Your jailbroken items are all gonna be in your right here in the front face, which is the little categories right up there. You see that? So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should have 6 in total. And I did provide the internet, but I couldn't fit it in here because it only allows you to have 6, sadly. So the internet, you're gonna have to go to the 3 little dots and go to the little app, and it's right here, and it's available to use as well. And your file links to access more stuff, it's right there as well. Sorry I couldn't put it there, just doesn't allow me. So in this video is gonna be all about how to take adult stuff. So let's say you're not with that stuff, you don't want to mess with it, you don't want none of it, and you don't want your kids to accidentally figure out the code because it's so easy or something. All you have to do is scroll down to the setting. I'm sorry if I went a little fast. All you have to do is click down, down, and now you see, as we see right there, that little glowing thing, that's your setting right there. So you click on it, and what you're gonna have to do is go to add-ons right there, scroll down to add-ons, and then go to my add-ons, which is the top one. And then I normally just click up because you have to go to video add-ons, and that's the one you click. Now I'm gonna give you 2 options. You could either uninstall it and it'll be completely erased and there's like no trace whatsoever that it even was there, or you guys can go to this guy right here, pin signature. Okay, you guys click on it, provide the code that I had per 1, 2, 3, 4 provided you with, and now it allows you to get in it. And now what you would want to do, like let's say you want to keep the whole adult stuff, but you want to make your own code. So what you're going to have to go through is configure right there, and then set value right there. So you got to click in the one that exists. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the one that exists. Now we're going to click our own password. We're going to put an example, easy one, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 ones. Re-enter it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now, when you guys, oops, I went way too back. That is my fault. Alright, my bad. I went just way too far. We had to wait a little bit. So let's go to, our adult stuff. You click on it. The first one, because I know people are going to get confused about this. The first one is going to require you the normal pin, which it already has. And I'm going to show you guys how to also take it off if you guys don't want to deal with 2 double pins, If you guys just want to deal with the one that it already has. So the one that already has is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's like the master code, but it doesn't unlock everything. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So it looks like, okay, yeah, we can get in. We got in, all right? And then you click on one of these. Oops, wrong one. So like, let's say we want to click on this one. Dun, dun, dun. See, this is the other pin. Now this one is the one that we just changed. As you guys can see, it looks different. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not gonna work. See, it threw me off for the reason that that is not the pin anymore. Remember, we changed it. So to whatever pin you have changed it to is the one you have to use. So for our instance, we use the easy one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now it allows you to have the action or whatever you guys are into. So that is how to change the code. All right. Now I'm gonna teach you how to take off the code. I mean, not take off the code. No, actually I am. I will teach you that. I will teach you how to do that. In my next video. So, here we go.